Hello all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and if this is the first time you have been to my channel, welcome as well. I'm going to be doing a 7-day challenge series just to help you with getting a bit more consistent in your workout. So every day there will be a workout for only 10 minutes. There will be 10 moves. Each move is about 50 seconds with a 10-second rest in between, hitting every part of your body. There is no equipment required, just yourself and a mat and some space in your house, and then you can get it going. Hopefully after doing this for 7 days, if you still feel itching to work out, you will continue and do the set again for another 7 days and just slowly build up your habits. So let's hit the mat.
All right, lovely people, it is arms day today. No need for equipment, just your body weight. First move is going to stand with your arms wide to shoulder, and we bring it in and out. Tummy muscles pulled in. Hugging your tree. Got another 30 seconds to go, team. Now remember, if you feel like your arms can keep going, at the 10-second rest, feel free to keep going with that move and then just move straight into the next one. Or you can take a moment and shake out the arms if you need to. Nice, and take a rest if you need. Shake out the shoulders like I just did. Get ready for your next exercise. We're going to take the arms beside us into cactus and then dart them forward. So you're bringing the fingertips sort of in front of you, reaching upwards above the head. Make sure the arms stay in front of you rather than behind your head so that you can look at the hands if you were to look upwards. Aim to not drop the elbows down too low. Keep it at shoulder height because that just keeps that tension on the arms the whole time, working it a little bit harder. Almost there, team. Good. And take a moment. Shake, 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 or keep going. All right, so we're going happy cactus, unhappy cactus with the arms coming up next. Arms holding to L shape, and we're just dropping the hands to face down and up. Point the fingertips upwards to the roof or point them downwards towards the floor. Also helps with that shoulder mobility there, working through that joint muscle. You're going to keep your belly button pulled in and core switched on though, so that you don't wobble about, so your body doesn't move too much. And we're just isolating the arms. All right, just another 10 seconds to go. Hopefully you're starting to feel the arms there, working a little bit into the shoulders. And give it 10 seconds or keep going. All right, the next move is like sweeping water. So the arms come up to shoulder height. You're gonna push the hands about 5 centimeters in and then rotate the hands back and push it away. So it's like if you were standing in water and you've got resistance there. And you're just pushing the water forward and backwards, flipping the hands in the direction that it's going. So the palm faces that way. Try not to drop the arms too low. Be aware, especially if you get tired, the arms tend to just drop below the shoulder line. But you're going to keep it up there to make it a little bit harder for yourself. And resting it through. All right, we're about to do circles with the arms. This is where the burner comes in. If you haven't felt it yet, arms come up and then you're just going forward and backwards. Again, keeping your torso nice and still so So we're not rocking and rolling, and we're just isolating those arm muscles, shoulders, keeping those hands pointed because you want that elongation coming out through the muscles. That way it takes away the bulk while still building up your muscles over time. Generally, I find the halfway mark, it starts to get that little kick of burn coming through. And we're just going to rotate the hands the other way, go the other way. Good, and release it. All right, you can keep facing forward. I'm just standing over to the side so you can see. And we're just going to lift the arms up and down there. Arms in front, horizontal to the shoulders, and we're going to lift them above the head. So we're just bringing the arms next door to your ears, not going too far back because you don't want your chest to flare up too much. More than halfway, guys, with the arms workout. Good, and give it a roll and rest. We're going to keep the arms up next, and we're going to go into crisscross positioning as I'm demoing, starting now. You can always start with me a little bit earlier as well if you want to. So one arm across the top and then swap over. That one's just me looking at the time. My arms are starting to ache. Anytime you need to roll at the shoulders you can, but otherwise you've only got that 10 seconds to go here. Keeping that tension on. And then give it a rest. Roll out the shoulders. All right, we're coming down to the ground. We're about to do tricep push-ups. Tricep push-ups, the arms are nice and narrow. Level 1s, your knees are close. Level 2s, your knees are back. Your bum is tucked under. And we're dropping your chest down, ideally to about where the bend of your elbows are. See how my elbows are not sticking out to the side? That's how you work your triceps as opposed to your chest. So you're going to keep them just beside your torso, bending the elbows to the back away from your body, not to the side. Leading with the chest. It's very tempting sometimes for people to drop their head below their shoulders, but you're going to try to keep it in line and drop that chest. Almost there. Good. And have a little moment. Just some extra ones there. Shake out the wrist if you need to. All right, we're about to do chest push-ups, so the arms will go wide. Again, knees closer as I have for my level 1s. Level 2s, you start to bring the knees behind you. Elbows, see, notice on this one, are going out to the side. Single times. We've only got one more exercise to do for arms after this. Chest coming down to the bend of the elbows if you can. Of course, you can go a little bit lower if you want to, all the way towards the floor if you can get your body back up. Single, down, up, down, up. Squeeze your glutes and hold your core because you want to make your body feel as light as possible. All right, coming to the end of this one. And rest it out. All right, so the last one is still the chest push-ups, but we're going to go down for 2. So we're going to go down, down, up, up. We're going now. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So same thing as before. My level 1s, you keep your knees nice and close. Level 2s, let's move the knees back. And then drop for 2, up for 2. The same move as you did before, but before we're doing it single times. Now we are just getting slower, because sometimes slower is harder to push through. Right, drop it for 2 counts, come up for 2. Don't rush it when you want to get up there. A lot of times, once you get down there, you want to quickly get up so you can have a moment of rest, but your body is in continuous motion. Good. One more to go, and pull back, have a stretch, shake out the arms, everybody. Well done. If you want to do more of a stretch, I do have a post-workout in my channel. Otherwise, do your own stretch, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.